Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today I am going to present to you Vishnu Shartula Stotra composed by myself. This is a very interesting, fantastic composition. So Shiva Shartula Stotra is composed by Sri Adi Shankara. Along the same lines I have composed this Vishnu Shartula Stotra. The name itself reveals that it is composed in Shardula Kritika Chandas, my dear friends. So I am going to chant and recite these stotras first, and then I will deliver you the verbatim meanings. And at the end, we will have a check on the Shardula Chandas there. So before that, we will just enter into prayers, my dear friends. Here I go. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Om Lam Lambodaya Namaha. Om Sam Saraswati Namaha. Om Ram Ram Ramaya Namaha. Om Matrubhyo Namaha. Om Pitrubhyo Namaha. Om Rishibhyo Namaha. Om Munibhyo Namaha. Om Acharyebhyo Namo Namaha. Sarvebhyo Devi Devatabhyo Namo Namaha. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Just done with the prayers now, and then now we will enter into the recitations. First is Shiva Shartula Stotra composed by Adi Shankara. It goes like this, my dear friends. चन्द्रोद्भासितशेखरे स्मरहरे गङ्गाधरे शङ्करे सर्पैर्भूषितकण्ठकर्णकुहरे नेत्रोत्थवैश्वानरे दन्तित्वकृतसुन्दराम्बरधरे त्रैलोक्यसारे हरे मोक्षार्थं कुरु चित्तवृत्तिममलाम् अन्यैस्तु किं कर्मभिः. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? This is the Shiva Shartula composed by Sri Adi Shankara. So along the same lines, I have composed a Vishnu Shartula Stotra. It is like this, very interesting, isn't it, my dear friends? It is like this, my composition. Nana Ratna Vibhushite Murahare Lakshmidhare Sridhare Nana Ratna Vibhushite Murahare Lakshmidhare Sridhare Vakshe Kaustubhara Shobhigalite Sarvabhaduri Krute Kanchi Silkruta Pita Vastra Bharite Trilokyasare Harau Mokshartham Kuru Chitta Vritti Mamalam Anyaistu Kim Karmabhihi. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now you might have observed the fourth padam I have kept it as it is. That is as composed by Adi Shankara. This is because the meaning carried there is very important. What the meaning implied there is Mokshartham Kuru Chitta Vritti Mamalam. That is, every day we have to keep a focus on achieving moksha. That is, meditate upon Lord Shiva, Lord Shri Hari, and also study the scriptures, Dharma Shastras, and etc. And along with whatever duties we have to perform daily, also we have to keep on doing that. Anyaistu kim karma bihi. He asks, what is the use of other mundane works? That doesn't mean we have to neglect our mundane duties, daily duties, and all our professional duties, etc. We have to keep performing, but we have to not lose a focus on moksha. Every day we have to keep a focus on moksha. That is implied in the fourth padam. That is a wonderful meaning. So that I have kept it as it is. Fantastic meaning it carries. So now we will come to the first padam. First I will present the Shankara's Shiva Shartula. That is Chandrodbhasita Shekhare Smarahare Gangadhare Shankare. Chandrodbhasita Shekhare means on his matted hairlocks Lord Shiva sports a crescent moon, isn't it? It is very famous. Chandrodbhasita Shekhare. Smarahare. Smara in Sanskrit means the love god of Cupid or Manmata. Hara is one who killed the Cupid god. Smarahare. You have to meditate on Smarahara, that is Lord Shiva. Smarahare Gangadhare. He is having the Ganges, the river Ganga on his matted hairlocks. So Gangadhare, he is famous as Gangadhara, and Shankara is one who does good to the world. So that is meaning there. So now I have converted this to Vishnu Stotra. It's a brilliant composition, wonderful, fantastic. So in a flowing Shartula meter, I have composed by God's grace along the same lines. I have composed Vishnu Shartula. That is Nana Ratna Vibhushite Murahare Lakshmidhare Sridhare. Nana Ratna Vibhushite. Lord Shri Mahavishnu is adorned with a lot of precious gems on his crown and is wearing a precious gem-studded necklace, etc. Is fond of Alankara, isn't it? So Nana Ratna Vibhushite Murahare. Instead of Smarahara used by Shankara, I have used Murahara. Murahara means one who killed the demon called Mura. Mura is a Rakshasa who was killed by Lord Shri Mahavishnu. So Murahara, we have to meditate on Murahara, that is Lord Shri Mahavishnu every day. Lakshmi Dhare Sri Dhare. Lakshmi Dhare implies he is the divine consort, divine spouse of Devi Shri Mahalakshmi. Sri Dhare, that is also carries the same meaning. Why I have used it twice means he is the divine consort of also Sri Devi and Bhudevi, isn't it? So both Sri Devi and Bhudevi are his consorts, divine consorts. So Lakshmi Dhare, Sri Dhare, and these words, my dear friends, exactly fit into Shardula Chandas. We will examine this later. Fantastic, isn't it? So first line I have composed is Nana Ratna Vibhushite Murahare Lakshmi Dhare Sri Dhare. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Now we will take the second line. What Adi Shankara says is Sarpair Bhushita Kantha Kanna Kuhare Netrotha Vaishvanare. For Lord Shiva is saying Sarpair Bhushita is adorned with snakes on his neck and also on his ears, etc. Sarpair Bhushita Kantha Kanna Kuhare Netrotha Vaishvanare. Vaishvanara is the Agni which emerges from his third eye. So that is the meaning there. So I have converted this as Vishnu Stotra. Therefore, what I have said is Vakshe Kaustubhara Shobhigalite Sarvaghaduri Krute. That is the second padam I have composed. Vakshe, on his chest. Kaustubhara Shobhigalite. Kaustuba is a precious gem-studded necklace which emerged from the ocean, churning of the ocean. That is during Samudramanthan. It emerged. It is told in the Puranas. About this, Lord Shri Mahavishnu took that Kaustubhara and adorned himself. Shobhi Galite Vakshe Kaustubhara Shobhi is shining and adorned with this Kaustubhara. Galite means it is flowing or dropping on his chest. Vakshe Kaustubhara Shobhi Galite Sarvaghaduri Krute. Sarva Agha. Agha means Papa. And Duri Krute, all these sins we have performed will be washed away if we daily meditate on Lord Shri Hari. Sarvagha Duri Krute, he washes up all our sins. That is meaning fantastic, isn't it, my friends? And remember, Sarvagha Duri Krute, all these words fit exactly into Shardula Vikrita Chandas. We will examine it later. So, third padam we will take now. Third padam, what Adi Shankara said about Lord Shiva is Dantitva Kruta Sundarambaradhare Trilokya Sare Hare. Danti means elephant. Tvak means skin. Dantitva Kruta Sundarambaradhare. He is having elephant skin as his attire, isn't it? Lord Shiva is called Gajacharvambaradhare. That is beautiful cloth for him. Sundarambaradhare. That is a beautiful cloth for him. So, Trilokya Sare Hare is the Lord of three words. Hare means the Saptami Vibhakti of Hara Shabda in Sanskrit. Hara is Lord Shiva and Hari is Lord Shri Mahavishnu. So that is the meaning of the third padam. And what I have done in the third padam is Kanchi Silkruta Pita Vastra Bharite. In order to bring about the eulogy on Lord Shri Mahavishnu, I have converted this to Vishnu Stotra. Kanchi Silkruta Pita Vastra Bharite. Kanchi silk is a finely woven glittering silk, isn't it, my dear friends? Very famous, world famous. Kanchi Silkruta Pita Vastra Bharite. Pita, Pitambaradhari, Lord Shri Mahavishnu. It is described as Pitambaradhari in Puranas. It is very famous. So, Sashanka Chakram Sakirita Kundalam Sapita Vastram. This is Vishnu Stotra. So, he is famous as Pitambaradhari, shining yellow robes. He is adorned with all over his body. Kanchi Silkruta Pita Vastra Bharite, all over his body is adorned with shining yellow robes. That is the meaning, my dear friends. But why I have used the English word silk? The equivalent word for silk in Sanskrit is Dhukula. But that doesn't fit into the Shardula Vikrita Chandas. So I have used on a lighter and funny note and also bring about the Chandas. Kanchi Silkruta Pitavastra Trailokya Haro. The Lord of three worlds, Trailokya Lord and essence of the three worlds, Trailokya Haro. Haro is the Saptami Vibhakti of the Hari Shabda. So we have to meditate on Lord Shri Hari every day. Why? Because in order to keep a focus on moksha along with performance of our daily duties, professional duties, etc. Fourth padam says, Mokshartham kuru chitta vritti mamalam anyaistu kim karma bhi. What is the use of other works? So that is the meaning, my dear friends. So fantastic meaning. I have kept the fourth padam as it is because of its wonderful meaning implied there. First three padas I have converted into bring about this change to Vishnu Stotra. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Highly enjoyable. Now I'll just recite this my Vishnu Stotra again, and then we'll just have a check on Shardul Vikrita meter there. So here I go. Nana Ratna Vibhushite Murahare Lakshmidhare Sridhare Vakshe Kaustubhara Shobhigalite Sarvabhaduri Krute Kanchi Silkruta Pita Vastra Bharite Trailokya Sare Harau Mokshartham Kuru Chitta Vritti Mamala Anyaistu Kim Karma Bhihi. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So we'll just now have a check on the Shardul Vikrita meter there. So before that we have to check the Shardul Vikrita Lakshana. The Lakshana says Surya Shvairya Dimastajau Satatagaha Shardula Vikriditam. So Masa, Jasa, double T and one Guru. That is the pattern for Shardul Vikrita. Those who are not getting me, please call an 876-233-185 and join my classes on devotion stotras and Sanskrit poetic meters. Now we'll just have the first padam there. What I have composed is Nana Ratna Vibhushite. Nana Rat is the first three letters which gives exactly Ma, that is 111. Na Vibhu is 001, that is giving us Sagana, that is 001, and then Shite Mu is three letters again there we have to take, that is giving us 010, that is Jagana, and Rahare is again Sagana, that is 001. Masa Jasa we got now. Nana Ratna Vibhushite Murahare Lakshmidhare Sridhare. Lakshmida is T1 there, first Sagana, and Re Sridha is the T2, that is second Tagana, and then final Guru is Re, Sridhare. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? It is exactly Shardul Vikrita Chandas, 19 letter 4 lines, fitting the pattern called MS, JS, double T and 1. You can just check the other 3 lines also, it would be same. So fantastic compositions, highly enjoyable, brilliant devotional stotras we have enjoyed, my dear friends, today. So in the next upcoming video, we'll take up more such devotional stotras, my own compositions and several brilliant compositions from the ocean of Sanskrit literature, and deal with the poetic meter and also the fantastic verbatim meanings and devotion also we can enjoy. So until then, bye for now. This is Suhas DP signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 876-233-185. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Also, my dear friends, I am taking special classes on wonderful devotional stotras, Sanskrit devotional stotras, amazing and brilliant Sanskrit poetry, and then also light Carnatic classical music, and then the Chandas, various Sanskrit poetic meters. These are all highly enjoyable. Please catch me direct on 876-233-185 and join my classes. Okay, bye for now. Hari Om Satya Jai Shri Ram. Thank you. Namaste. Suhas DP, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11.